What should we do to remain prepared to face the trouble of imminent old age? Grow old gracefully. When you're old, don't try to become young. But that's what has happened. One of my doctor disciple once mentioned that his observation is people spend their youth trying to earn money. And then when they grow old, they spend that money to get back their youth. So when you're young, be youthful, utilize your youth in a proper way. And then only when you grow old, you'll be able to accept old age with the right spirit. Main consideration is this body is not meant for enjoyment. Don't try to enjoy through the senses of this body. Rather, use this body's facilities for spiritual advancement. Then he'll never grow old. Did Prabhupada grow old? No. Prabhupada didn't grow old in the sense, even few days before leaving his body, when he couldn't move, we had to help him to just turn to his sides. He was translating Srimad Bhagavatam. So that is the way to conquer the needs of the body. This body will grow old, but the soul is eternally youthful. So if you become situated in your spiritual identity, then there is no old age. When you become situated in your spiritual identity, there is no death. The body will die, but you won't. This body may grow old, but you won't. You will always remain youthful when you become properly situated in spiritual life. All right?